What this webinar is essentially, it is the online version of our Resin 101 workshop that we have here in-house. Our goal is to essentially take away all of the sort of uncertainty and anxiety that comes along with working with epoxy. In this class, what we kind of go over is 3 specific projects. So for example, one of the first ones we're gonna do here is we're gonna take this piece of ash that we just literally drilled a bunch of holes in, but we haven't taped off either side of it. And our goal here is going to be to fill this in with epoxy and not tape the other side off. The next project that we're going to be looking at is using our deep resin. So we're actually going to be pouring this blank here. We are fully mixed now at this point, and again, my indicator of that is that I have clarity back in my epoxy. Since we're using the casting resin, we gotta let this sit for 7 days, but when we come back in 7 days and pop it out of the mold, it should look like this, all ready to go. So the next thing that we're starting on here is actually our art pour just on a canvas. So today for our canvas, we're just gonna be using a piece of MDF. And we're using the art product here. The reason we're using this is because it has the higher viscosity, so it's gonna give us more control in the designs we can create with the pigment. Thank you so much for choosing to download our webinar. You choosing to support us really means a lot to us. We hope to see you again in another webinar. See ya.